Hey, I'm Chiqui Linguine and today I'm going to be experimenting in the kitchen. I am making liver burgers. And before you tune out or you switch to the next video because you're like, ew, liver, I feel you, I hear you. My grandfather used to make liver when I was younger and just the smell of it would make me like unwell. I hated it, I hated the smell, I hated the taste. So I'm going to be trying to mask the taste in these burgers. I'm going to mix it with ground beef. I'm going to season it well. I'm going to get some actual burger buns, no lettuce buns for this. I'm going to get some cheese, make sauce, and hopefully it turns out good. So watch until the end. So here I have the liver. I thought I was getting 1 pound. It ended up being 1.9 pounds, so it's almost 2 pounds. So it's a lot of liver, but we'll see. I also hate touching any type of meat. Chicken, ground beef, anything raw, I hate touching it. So this is gonna be lots of fun. Oh my God, it's so soft. You know, I was gonna slice this up and make it easier for the food processor. I don't even think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna throw it in there and let's see what happens. So my camera died, but while it was charging, I diced up and sauteed 1 red pepper and 1 onion, and I cooked it, and I added a cup of red wine, and I'm going to add that into this to try to give it some extra flavor and goodness. Alright, now I have the liver. It is so slimy. It looks so nasty, but it is so good for you. I've seen people literally just get liver and dice it up, they wrap it in parchment paper, and they say that that's their supplement, and they eat a little piece of raw liver every day. I cannot even imagine doing that. So here I am trying to mask it in a burger. I'm gonna add now my cooked onions and peppers. Up. And I never measure anything, but for this recipe I'm gonna measure. It's a lot of food. I have 2 pounds of liver and about 2.5 pounds of ground beef that I'm also gonna add to it. So I'm gonna do 1.5 tablespoons of everything. So garlic powder, cumin. Well, that didn't work out. All right, cayenne pepper. Paprika, and now I'm just gonna do a shake of salt and pepper. Smells pretty good now. Still looks kind of nasty. Now I'm going to add my ground beef and see if I need to add the eggs, because it's honestly so liquidy I don't even know if I need the eggs. You don't want to touch this. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm going to make burger patties and then I'm going to freeze them and see how they cook up. I'm gonna make them kind of small because I'm gonna make them smash burgers, and I'm gonna put 2 patties in every burger. So I think I'm going to do 2 ounces each. Now for the sauce, I'm gonna add ketchup, barbecue sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. Perfect. So I cooked 2 of the frozen burgers and tried to make them smash burgers, but it didn't work out, so I just mashed them up and it was like picadillo. But I have 2 of the thawed burgers and I cooked them up and they look great. I put some cheese on it so it could melt, and now I'm gonna set up my burger. So I'm gonna put some of my sauce on the bottom. I'm still gonna use the minced meat because I'm not gonna waste it. So I'm gonna put it on the bottom and try to let the sauce stick to it so it won't fly everywhere. And now the burger that actually stayed like a burger. Looks really good actually. I love the sauteed onions and peppers in my burgers. And of course, mushrooms. I'm just obsessed with mushrooms. Just pile it on top. And put a little bit more sauce on top. Look at that beauty. Okay, I'm excited and I'm very anxious to try this, not gonna lie. So let's see. With everything that's in there between the sauce, the onions, the peppers, the mushrooms, the cheese, I cannot taste that there's liver. So this is a success. I am so happy because now I will be eating liver at least once a week and I won't even taste it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I have new content like this every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m.